I will now demonstrate an example of how to find the surface area and volume of a common sphere, a golf ball. Now, as you can see here, this is the diameter. The diameter is the distance across the sphere through the center. We will measure the radius. The radius is half the diameter, which is approximately 1 inch. We will approximate for this problem. So let's now find the surface area of the golf ball. Surface area is equal to 4 pi radius squared. And we just calculated that the radius is equal to 1 inch. So we're first going to substitute 1 for our radius. So we have 4 pi times 1 squared. You always want to follow the order of operations, parentheses, then exponents. So 1 squared is 1 times 1, and that equals 1. So now you have 4 times pi times 1. 4 times 1 gives us 4, so now you're left with 4 pi. Let me show you how to do that in your calculator. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to press 4, and then you're going to press the pi button located right here, and you're going to press enter. And if you notice, you get a long irrational number. We want to round it to the nearest hundredth, so that's your second decimal. So you're going to round it to 12.57. And when you're dealing with surface area, you always want to label it inches squared. So the surface area of the golf ball is 12.57 inches squared. Now let's find the volume. Volume is equal to 4/3 pi times the radius cubed. Again, the radius is 1 inch. So we're going to substitute 1 for your radius. Your first step, order of operations, is to cube 1. That's 1 times 1 times 1, which gives us 1. Your next step is to multiply 4/3 times 1. And 4/3 times 1 gives us 4/3. Now you're left with 4/3 times pi. Again, let me show you how to do that in your calculator. You're going to press 4 and the ABC button, 3, and then the pi button. Equals, and again you're going to get another irrational number. I would like you to round to the nearest hundredth, and that gives you 4.19. Your answer is volume equals 4.19 inches cubed. When we discuss volume, you always want to label it inches cubed. So your activity for tonight is you're going to find the surface area and volume of a real life sphere. And we will discuss your answers tomorrow in class. Thank you.